Hello to all of you, dear community of Stockler bidders and buyers. We're here today in Liers at the warehouse that hosts products from Grover Sellers. Grover, as you know, the European leader in high-tech rentals, offering all types of products. Over 40,000 products have been sold this year on Stockler. And today we're here specifically for an audio lot, including both earbuds and headphones. And so we're here to present a lot of functional pre-owned items, so of functional pre-owned quality. Let me remind you, functional pre-owned means that all products are 100% functional, but they may show some signs of wear or cosmetic imperfections on the product's appearance. So let's take a look at some of the products together. We feature products from brands like obviously Apple, Marshall, Sony, Huawei and Samsung Galaxy. We also have some more niche products like Devialet earbuds and headphones. You'll find in the lots listing all the brands and products that are available within this particular lot. And so potentially we can take a look at these AirPods Max, which are still in their original packaging. That's not always the situation, but in this specific case, it seems to be true quite often. And so apparently the leather is pristine. So these are some of the products you can find. So apparently no signs of wear on this one, both cosmetically, and we even have the protective covers for the packaging. So you will find the product in a truly good condition for resale, making it very high quality. Perhaps we can unbox some AirPods. These are AirPods Pro. The case shows slight signs of wear, apparently, so normal wear. And inside the earbuds are in very good condition. You'll just need to add the ear tips, which will be clean, and you can find those easily. So there you have it. We have products in superb condition. Let me remind you, we have AirPod Pro, AirPod Max, Apple, we have Sony earbuds and also headphones. We have Devialet, we have Marshall, truly all the great brands and super products that are perfect for the end of year holidays, Black Friday, Christmas, and even back to school if needed. Don't hesitate to check the listing details and ask for shipping quotes if possible. Just a reminder, the lot is in Liers, northern France, so go ahead, feel free to place your bids. Now's the time, there won't be any more by year end, so please don't hesitate to ask your questions in the chat. Thank you.